Hey there folks, it's me, Matt Esquire. We're coming up into March, and what that means is if you haven't already done so, you're probably worried about your taxes. And if you're here, one of the things that's probably been weighing heavily on you is what that's going to mean for the online marketplace, namely Reverb and eBay. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's actually been a bit of a stay of execution. The IRS announced that actually they're going to delay the implementation, and as of right now there is no more $600 threshold. That is gone. It's not going to happen. Sherrod Brown, as well as a representative out of Montana, they actually came together and said this is ridiculous. But that doesn't mean that you're not going to have to report income from these online sources. So here are the rules as they currently stand. Right now, they're going to phase in, and what they're going to have is for 2023, which is the one that you're going to be filing, that one has a much higher dollar and number of transaction threshold. Right now, it's at 20,000 plus 200 transactions. At that point, you need to file a 1099-K. What that means is if you sold one $20,000 guitar, well, mazel tov, good on you. Don't worry, you don't need to report that. If you sold five $4,000 guitars, well, again, good on you. You don't need to worry about that. However, if you sold 200 $100 Harley Benton guitars, then you meet the $20,000 threshold plus the 200 transaction. At that point, you need to be filing a 1099-K. Of course, if you're doing that, you're a dealer and you're probably not getting your tax advice from a YouTube channel. Again, just so you know, in case you didn't already, this is a YouTube channel. I'm not your lawyer. I'm not your accountant. I'm not your tax lawyer. There is no attorney-client privilege here. There is no attorney-client relationship. You got any real questions about taxes? Don't ask me. Of course, you want to yell at me? Please do so in the comments below. I welcome it. I enjoy your comments. That's not the end of it, though. The IRS plans to introduce a $5,000 threshold for the 2024 tax year. That's going to be the one that you will file next year. Whether or not that's going to be a 200 transaction threshold, who knows? Probably not, given the fact that they're looking to lower it to $5,000. Is that ideal? No, especially because prices are going up. So $600, which was really unreasonable, that might not be coming back, but $5,000, I mean, face it folks, $5,000 is 4 fenders. You sell 4 USA fenders online, congratulations, you're at $5,000. So maybe you will have to file a 1099-K then. Also, what does it mean to file a 1099-K? A 1099-K is a form that you file with your taxes. Now, you might be thinking, what if I just don't tell the IRS about that? I'll be okay. Well, here's the thing. They already know. And the reason they already know is because Reverb tells them. eBay tells them. Those online marketplaces, they also have to report this. And they're not your friend. They don't know you. They just know they don't want to get in trouble with the IRS, so they will do all of the reporting. In fact, it's not anything conscious. It goes through a computer. They're going to send you a 1099-K. You take that form, you put it with the rest of your forms that you got, you take that to your tax professional, and he or she puts that as part of your tax return. As you know, the first rule in the income tax code is all income, unless otherwise excluded, is income. In other words, unless there's an exclusion for it, money you make is money you pay taxes on. It sucks, I know. I don't enjoy it. You don't enjoy it. As an American, we're born not to enjoy it. Where do you think this country came from? It came from not paying our taxes. So that's where we stand as far as guitars and taxes are concerned. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. Until next time, less fiddling, more playing.